you all very much for joining us. My name is Marshall Kirkpatrick. I am the Vice President of Audience Development here at RCR Wireless, and I'm excited to introduce the event, to welcome you all here. I think we're going to have a very exciting day. You all know how exciting this industry is, and we're going to have some great speakers throughout the day. This is the RCR Wireless Global Tour San Francisco edition. We're real excited to have all of you here and to have the great lineup of speakers that we do throughout.
And I've been really excited to join RCR because there is no one that I have ever met who has an ability to understand and articulate the big picture stories in wireless and mobile as much as RCR CEO Jeff Mucci. So Jeff is back in the corner right here. If you haven't spoken with Jeff before, and I know that many of you have, you really should. He's been in telecom and data for 20 years and has an incredible understanding of the stories that RCR covers about your industry because he's been spending all those years speaking to many of you every day. So RCR's aim for the future is to combine the web application, social media savvy that I'm bringing to the organization with the domain knowledge that Jeff Mucci has acquired over 20 years of engaging with all of you in the field with our distributed staff of reporters around the world covering the industries and the news that's important to all of you. So we're real excited that you're here to engage in conversations about those things so as to better inform our coverage, to better inform each other, and we'll all work together to add value to our understanding of the field that you're working in. And make no mistake about it, you're a really exciting audience, and this is a super exciting field. And we all know how much change and disruption is happening in enterprise mobile, but I want to talk about a couple of specific examples. The analyst firm Gartner, in their 2012 predictions for next year, said that they predicted that in the enterprise, mobile application software development projects being initiated this year would be roughly equivalent to native desktop software development projects initiated this year. But in 3 years, Gartner said that mobile application development projects are expected to outnumber desktop software projects by 4 to 1. Jeff Mucci likes to tell a big picture story that works like this about the relationship between all these different factors. He says that it starts with policy making all around the world with decisions and strategies in policy, that those policies then foster investment in infrastructure and all the fields that you all work in. Those investments to build out capacity then enable innovation in everything from hardware to software and applications. And then those innovations in application and hardware end up driving new use cases of software and devices. They end up improving people's quality of life all around the world, and they lead to increased demand for data use. Those increases in demand for data use then come back around and lead to further policy innovations, and the cycle continues. And as that cycle continues, end users become more and more capable to do exciting new things that they've never been able to do before. It's really an incredible time to be involved in this industry. It's just in the beginning. And there's a wide variety of people who are going to be building and using applications and devices in ways that we can hardly imagine right now. And those of you who are here in this room are helping make it happen. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you. And I hope that you can have a really fruitful day today comparing notes and exploring that future in order to make the facilitation of all that disruptive, world-changing user experience in the enterprise and beyond, making that into reality.